Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a home NAS. First, let's clarify what a NAS is. Essentially, it's a dedicated storage device connected to your network, allowing multiple users and devices to access files. Selecting the correct hardware is crucial. Consider your storage capacity requirements and desired features. Make sure you have all your components ready, including your chosen hard drives and network cables, before you begin. Now, let's get hands-on. Carefully install your hard drives into the NAS enclosure, ensuring they are seated correctly. Next, connect your NAS directly to your home router using a standard Ethernet cable for optimal network performance. Once connected, power on the device. You'll then need to find its IP address to access the web-based management interface through your browser and begin the initial configuration. With the hardware ready, it's time for software configuration. Within the NAS interface, you'll create storage pools and volumes, which are fundamental for organizing your data. Then, establish user accounts and assign appropriate access permissions to control who can view or modify files. Finally, configure network shares, making your files easily accessible from other devices on your home network. This ensures secure and organized data management. Beyond basic storage, explore advanced NAS features. Set up robust data backup and synchronization strategies to protect your valuable files. You can also leverage your NAS for media streaming, hosting a personal cloud, or even running a VPN server. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Find the link in the description, along with other great deals, to upgrade your home tech.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.